In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and resize a 3D model in Spline using templates. First, open your Spline project so you're inside the scene where you want to work. Give the scene a second to load and make sure you're viewing the main canvas with your grid or background visible. If you already have objects in the scene, you can zoom out a bit to leave space for the model you're about to bring in. Now move your cursor down to the bottom left corner of the interface and hover over the Templates area. As you hover, Spline reveals a panel that showcases ready-made content. This panel is designed to speed up your workflow, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. You'll see a wide variety of 3D models appear. These can range from simple shapes to more detailed assets, all organized to help you discover what fits your project. Take a moment to scan through the options. Look for a model that matches the style, scale, and complexity you need. If your scene is meant to be lightweight and interactive, choose something simpler. If it's a showcase scene, a more detailed model might be perfect. Hovering over a thumbnail can give you a quick sense of its form and materials. Once you've found a model you like, select it. Spline will add it directly to your scene. It usually appears at or near the center of your canvas, so don't worry if it overlaps with something temporarily. You can reposition it after sizing. Check that it's highlighted so you know it's selected and ready to edit. To adjust the size, click the model and drag using the scale handles that appear around it. Drag outward to make it larger or inward to make it smaller. If you want to keep the proportions consistent, hold the modifier key for uniform scaling while you drag, so the height, width, and depth remain in balance. For delicate adjustments, zoom in slightly before dragging. If your scene uses a real-world scale, compare the model against the grid or other objects to keep things believable. You can also glance at the scale values in the inspector to confirm you're in the right range, especially if you're matching a specific look or layout. And that's it, you're done. You navigated to your Spline project, explored the templates, chose a 3D model, and resized it to fit your scene. With this workflow, you can build out a polished composition quickly and stay focused on creative choices. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating with Spline.